Are you making your own sandwiches?
If I do it by myself and no one helps me.
You do it by yourself and no one helps you? That's amazing. Do you think when you get a little bigger you'll get to use the sharp knives like your brothers? Is that gonna be cool? Is that cool or scary?
Cool. My favorite skills are the knife skills. I use sharp knives. Sometimes I cut carrots.
Two. It's a pretty hard one. Would you like making like your whole meal by yourself?
Mama tells me to do it all the time.
All the time?
Yeah.
Really? What do you make?
Usually like sandwich or I just usually like make a sandwich or a salad, just grab some crackers and cheese. I help with dinner every now and then.
Can you flip?
Yeah, pancakes are pretty easy. I think I might either like the saw blade or the chop chop.
So the first lesson you did was measuring, right? Snow palette flat, no holes, no hills, all that stuff.
Oh yeah, now I remember that.
You do? What did you do right after that lesson?
Make cookies.
You all by yourself?
Just about.
Was that the first time you'd done cookies all by yourself?
Yeah. And just like, hey, I think we lost a little better. I don't know where it went, but